Good morning, everyone. So our journey today is with a motorbike. This is our vehicle. We are coming to Kulin Mountain for the trekking, and we started very early this morning at 5:30. What time is it now? Oh, so it's about more than 1 hour already that we are at the checkpoint. So after checking our ticket, we are going up to the mountain to do more excursion up there. Okay, let's come with me. Fortunate. So 12 kilometers, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. By the way, this is our hiking way. Spend time with the water. Good morning, everyone, again. So you see, the reason that we started very early in the morning because of this. Look at the view of the mountain, and the clouds are really close to the trees, really close to the mountain. That's amazing. Yeah, we are the first tourists today at Kulin Mountain. So we are at Chruin Cliff. Yeah, it's so nice in the morning, really fresh. And this is my client's Jared. And look at that, the clouds, the one that I'm looking forward to seeing it. How are you now? Yeah, so look at this. This is what small waterfall in the jungle. So we're exploring Kulin Mountain. We can find the gems, a lot of gems that are hidden inside the jungle. Yeah, the small waterfall, but it's still really, really nice. Okay. How are you today? How are you now?
Good so far, still good.
Okay, good.
Still surviving.
Still surviving. Everyone, now we are at Sarambai. That means the elephant pond. So you can see many shapes of the stones. So like this one, it looks similar to the snake head. Yeah, right on the top of this stone, similar to the snake head. And if we move to this side, you also can see the elephant. That is the elephant. The reason that we call the elephant pond. That one, I think this one is the lion, and that one is the lion, and that one is the lion also. Yeah. But if you look from this side, the first small one looks similar to the frog right here, from here. But it's not a frog, it's the lion, I think. But they didn't finish this, so it still looks like the frog. And this is the big elephant that we call Srah Nomrei, or the elephant pond. So because there is a pond right there, so that's why we call this one Srah Nomrei. The elephant pond or Srah Nomrei. Okay. That's very peaceful. Okay, after visiting the elephant ponds or the elephant statues, lion statues, so we are walking up and moving to another place. Okay. And that is our local guide. He's guiding us walking in the jungle and find the hidden gems. You see the way for coming up. We are going up and down. That is a good exercise today. Stone steps. The statue. This is also from the stone, the original stone from here, but the statue is the new statue, not from the same times of the elephant and lion, just later. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay everyone, so this is another stop. You can hear the sounds of the waterfall. Here's another spot. So the view is amazing also. It used to be for the hermit or for like the Brahmin used to do the meditation inside. So you can see the shape of the door frame, but the door frame is from the whole rocks. They just made the carvings of, they just made the cave from the rocks like this. Yeah. Okay, so for this place, the water flow from the ground all year round, never dry up. It's only in the dry season is less water. But now you can see a lot of more water. You can see the carving inside the roots of the tree. The carving inside the roots of the tree. Yeah. So this one also from the 9th century, long time ago. So the roots are covering the carvings of maybe like the gods. We are arriving another place, the hidden temple. You see, we walk in the jungle for almost 1 hour, and it is different from the temples in the complex of the main park, the main archaeological park. So it is the bridge temples. Supposed to be 3 towers, one right here, one in the middle, and another one on that side. And the middle one is the main one. Let's explore something inside. And inside right now is nothing. that before used to be the statues of the Linga, but now you can see only the pedestal right here, and that is the part of the pedestal also that we consider as unique. And look at the top of the temple. So it's more than 1,000 years already in the 9th century, but it's still well preserved. Okay, so now we are walking up to a temple that called Aram Rumchen, Brikruh Aram Rumchen temple. This is the kinds of the pyramid temple. So now we can see only the rocks like this, the stone like this. It's not no towers now. It's only the pedestals of the Linga in the middle, here in the centers of the temple, the pedestals of the Linga. So we don't see the Linga anymore, only the pedestals. So probably back in the old days used to be the wooden roof. They use the wooden building on the top, covered with maybe like a roof tile. But because of this area was abandoned for many hundred years, and now we only can see the pedestal and the temple with this condition. Yeah, it's hidden in the jungle. So this one it's also more than 1,000 years already, and the masterpiece of the King Jayavarman II. He was the one who moved the city from other place to the top of this mountain, and this one is the place that he was crowned to be Devaraja, like means the god king. Yeah, so the place that he was crowned to be Devaraja. Yeah, Brikruh Aram Rumchen. Okay, we almost finished our walk, our 12-kilometer walk. Okay. It's a nice day today. So actually, you also can choose a bicycle or motorbike to come to these places, but we choose walking because we want to experience how the old people were when they went to anywhere. They always walk, so we want to do like that. We want to experience